Hey folks, Adam here, and I cannot wait to tell you about this fantastic litter device that is revolutionizing the way we care for our kittens. Now, Amy and I have count them, three cats, and we travel quite a bit. So we always keep one or two of these litter boxes ready to go, and we've been so happy with the performance. A big opening for our big cats. Sabbath weighs nearly 20 pounds. Deodorizing to keep the outside from smelling bad, a grate to keep the litter off the ground, and this does a great job scooping out the bad stuff and staying ultra clean and hygienic. Now it has an app that I'll tell you about as well. This is packed for performance and it's easy to use to where you're not getting your hands dirty with litter. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. So folks, let me tell you some facts and figures about the device itself. It has hands-free cleaning. It's scoop-free and convenient, safe and comfortable, and I love the fact that it's got an anti-pinch entry, which means that our cats can go in and out without having to worry about being pinched. Now, it's good for young and old cats, so you got a big old cat or a little kitten. They're going to be so happy. It's also spacious with a 60-liter capacity, room for even your biggest cats. It's got smart alerts on the app, a litter tracker, and, of course, it is practically maintenance-free. They've just done a great job making a device that you're not constantly messing with. Now, on top of all of that, odor resistance and scatter control. That stepping mat makes it easy and convenient for your cats to clean their little paws to where you're not getting litter everywhere. And it deodorizes as it works. Something else that's very important to mention is the complete safety of this unit. Yeah, its unique structure ensures that your cat will stay safe, never pinched, and it has UV sterilization. Yeah, that feature keeps the machine very clean and hygienic, and it's something that we wanted to highlight. Now, folks, something else I very much love about this is they've given you a 30-day easy return policy. That makes me happy. They've got direct customer service in case you have any problems, and you probably won't. On top of that, it has a 1-year warranty. And I can tell you we've tested a lot of litter devices, and some of them don't make it for that full year. So it's nice to have a company, when they put a 1-year warranty on something, it pretty much means it's definitely going to work for a year because they don't want to have to warranty and replace things. So they've done a great job making a device that is designed to last more than a year. On top of that, they offer free shipping. Yeah, can you believe that? Free shipping. And with a device of this size, that free shipping makes a world of difference for me, and it's going to make a world of difference for you. Now, the other thing that I got to note is that our cats like it, and they actually use it. And because they actually like it and they actually use it, that's pretty helpful. There are some boxes that are too noisy, that shake, are unstable, are the wrong size, have an awkward entry, and they don't use them, okay? Like I said, we have 3 cats, Mr. Sirius, Black Sabbath, and Honeycat, and all 3 of them have adopted and adapted to this very quickly and efficiently. And we all know an important part of a litter box is that your cats actually use it, that they're not objecting to it and going other places. And that's something that's very nice about this, is our cats have had no problem picking up on this, using it every time. It's very efficient, very clean, and hygienic. In fact, like I said, we technically have 2 of these. We normally keep one on the porch, on the back porch, and one in the house. And the cats have never had a problem. They go right to it. They use it every single time. They're very happy with it. And this is one that we can trust and that we like. Now, folks, I personally like that we are no longer scooping litter. I have cat allergies. I can't be scooping litter. I'll be aching after I do that. And you know what? This is a company that has hundreds of thousands of users. So they're not fly-by-night. They're durable and reliable. And you can take a short trip. With something like this, you can go up to 12 days without having to worry about scooping. Now, I love the anti-pinch. Safety first. Your cats are going to be comfortable. The design is PIR detection. It has a weight sensor. And yeah, they've just done a great job making it easy and sanitary for your kids. On top of that, it's odor-free, and the easy cleaning makes it easy to wipe down and make sure that it is staying beautiful. Folks, also regarding the app, I love the fact that this shows when the cleaning is finished. This shows how many times the cats have been to the bathroom, their average amount of time there, has a sterilization and cleaning option. You can track just about everything, seeing the stats, seeing who's been in there, and yeah, we can actually even track them by weight. So this is really, really a cool device that's easy to use for me, and it's easy to use for you. I also like that I can put my pet information in there. You can see we have Honeycat. We can select his personal photo, know his weight, his age, his gender, his breed, etc. Yeah, folks, this is a tremendous brand that we've been very happy with from top to bottom and stem to stern. It's time to go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Tremendous brand, free shipping, stylish and sophisticated, and it truly works. Our cats love it, and we can track the use right on the app. Holy cow. It doesn't get much better than that. Folks, my name is Adam. We're very fortunate that we get to talk about the best products and the best brands on the planet, and these guys have you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern. Self-cleaning, self-reliant, impressive, using the latest technology. This is easy to set up, easy to learn, easy to use, and keeps your hands out of the litter. I highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. On behalf of everyone here at 911 Studios, thanks for watching, and what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.